Hello everyone, I am Saijaz and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to do the loudspeaker comparison between all of these three smartphones which I'm having right now. So one is a Realme X2 Pro device, as you can see friends, Realme X2 Pro, and in the middle one is a OnePlus 9R device. So it is a Mi11X phone, as you can see friends, Mi11X. So let's see which phone will be having the better loudspeaker output as well. And these three phones have the dual stereo speaker setup and Dolby Atmos as well. So let's see which phone will be having the better quality and better output in terms of the sound quality as well. That is what I'm going to test in this entire video. And in case if you're watching first time this channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also do check the links in description for live wallpapers what I'm using currently. You can find all the links will be available in the description below, so make sure to check the links in description definitely. So let's begin the test friends, first by opening the settings application to show you exactly what kind of profiles I'm trying to use in all the three smartphones. Let me go to the sound and the vibration, so you will be able to see the exactly what kind of settings I'm trying to use in this Dolby Atmos. So it is a sound and vibration, and let me try to scroll down, and is a sound, as you can see friends. So right now I'll try to set to the music in all the three smartphones. You can clearly see here, so Dolby Atmos and Dolby Atmos, everything is set to the music. So all three smartphones, so nothing, no other application I'm trying to use, and no equalizer, nothing. So I'm just trying to use the Dolby Atmos to make this kind of test even as much as possible. So this is my first time doing more than two phones of loudspeaker comparison in one video. Let's see friends, so how will be the sound output in each and every smartphone. So first let me try to start playing the audio file from the Realme X2 Pro device. So it is a Realme X2 Pro, as you can see friends, Realme X2 Pro. Let me try to start playing the audio. As you can see friends, both top and the bottom loudspeaker both recorded more than 100 decibels every time, as you can see. That is what the testing right now I'm trying to do. So let's move to the OnePlus 9R. So it is a OnePlus 9R. So let's see friends, how will be the OnePlus 9R will be keeping up with the volume. So one thing friends, top and bottom speakers, they both recorded more than 100 decibels, as you can see clearly. So both phones, the Realme X2 Pro and the OnePlus 9R, they did a good job in terms of the sound output. So now let's see how will the Mi11X going to perform in terms of the sound output as well. As you can see friends, clearly the Mi11X, the sound output is not that loud as the other smartphones. So that is what I did notice right now in this kind of testing. So let me try to start playing the audio file one by one, so you might be able to differentiate the audio what is coming. So try to maybe if you can close your eyes and if you try to hear the volume, so you will be able to understand clearly. So now I am playing in the Realme X2 Pro. So now I am playing in the Realme X2 Pro. So now I am playing in the Realme X2 Pro. So now I am playing in the Realme X2 Pro. So now I am playing in the Realme X2 Pro. So now I am playing in the Realme X2 Pro. So now I am playing in the Realme X2 Pro. So now I am playing in the Realme X2 Pro. So now I am playing in the Realme X2 Pro. So now I am playing in the Realme X2 Pro. So now I am playing in the Realme X2 Pro. So now I am playing in the Realme X2 Pro. So now I am playing in the Realme X2 Pro. So now I am playing in the Realme X2 Pro. So now I am playing in the Realme X2 Pro. So now I am playing in the Realme X2 Pro. So now I am playing in the Realme X2 Pro. So now I am playing in the Realme X2 Pro. So now I am playing in the Realme X2 Pro. So now I am playing in the Realme X2 Pro. So now I am OnePlus 9R, MI 11X device, as you can see friends clearly. So this is a quick loudspeaker comparison test between all of these three smartphones, and overall the winners are the Realme X2 Pro and the OnePlus 9R. So both phones, they do have the similar kind of loudspeaker output. So that is what the conclusion of this video is overall. And thank you for watching this video friends, and make sure to check the links in description for more videos. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.